Hi, you're about to learn the secrets most women will never know about dating men and relationships. Several years ago, I decided it was time to help the smart women around me who weren't having luck with men dating and relationships figure out and understand once and for all what really works with a man. One of the fascinating things I found as I started helping women years ago was that while lots of women have the best intentions of being a great partner and being in love, they were accidentally making mistakes that turned men off or pushed men away. And it was all because they didn't get how men think and act when it comes to dating and relationships. Now, it's important for you to know what you want as a woman to have your relationship when you meet a man go in the right direction, which I'll show you. But it's just as important to know how to create what you want with the person you're going to share it with, a man. Now, I'd like to show you how to create the relationship you want and deserve, knowing that you're doing this with a man in your life. I'm going to show you how to make a man feel that deep, intense level of attraction that lets him know that you're the one special woman for him. I'm going to show you how to grow closer, more physically and more emotionally closer with a man the longer you're together, instead of drifting apart. Now, I want you to imagine this. What would it feel like to never worry again that your man would suddenly withdraw or pull away from you unexpectedly? And I want you to imagine what it would feel like to know beyond the shadow of a doubt how attracted your man was to you and how irresistible you are to him. And I want you to also imagine knowing exactly what to do to instantly reconnect with a man and grow even closer anytime any bumps come along in your relationship. If you want more from your love life and you know there's something better you can have with a man, then let me ask you, do you know how attraction works for a man? How about the commitment process? And what about how communication and intimacy really work for a man in a long-term relationship? Or what about what a man even wants in a woman in a long-term relationship? After years of research, observation, and study, and going through all the advice out there that was supposed to be helping women, I found a whole lot of it didn't actually work when it mattered, in the moment when you're there with a man. That's why I've spent years and put together a proven system that gives you all the things that you need to have a relationship really work with a man and last. I'm going to show you how to do that from first meeting all the way to I love you, and how to grow in a committed relationship. Now, I've shown literally thousands of women over the years how to attract the right man into their life, and I've given women the simple real-world steps for breaking out of their old patterns with men to finally create a real loving and lasting relationship, the kind that has a man feeling so deeply connected to you that he doesn't ever want your relationship to end. If you're really ready to change your love life and your relationships for the better forever, then now is the time for you to make that change. When you sign into my site, I'm going to show you these things for free. Why a man will withdraw after a few great dates, or especially when you've finally gotten close, and what to do about it. The two types of attraction that men feel, and how you need to trigger both of these types of attractions in your man if you want to make him want a lasting relationship with you. The critical mistakes that literally kill a man's interest and attraction, whether it's early on in a relationship when you're first dating or far into a committed relationship, and what you can do to avoid accidentally killing a man's interest in you. Also show you the hidden reasons why a man will commit to one woman but not another, and how to have your man begging you for forever in a committed relationship instead of you trying to convince him. Also show you how to master the secret language of men, because men more often send signals in indirect communication in relationships than they do say how they feel. And I'm going to show you how to use that to create a connected and fulfilling, lasting relationship. And finally, I'll take you inside the mind of a man. You'll finally know how to have a great relationship without being the one who has to do all the work to try and hold it together. I'm going to show you how to create that shift in your relationship. And I'll show you important things you need to know in relationships with men, such as why men cheat, and what it really takes for a man to commit himself and fall in love with a woman. Now, here's the thing. I can't share all of this and help you create the love life you want and deserve unless you're ready and you let me help you. That's why you should sign into my site below. When you do, I'll email you out my special 10 mistakes that most women make in relationships report for free, where you'll learn how to avoid the critical mistakes keeping you from connecting with the right man in your life. So stop running into the same problems with men in your relationships and do yourself a favor. Take 5 seconds right now and sign up for my free newsletter and finally learn the secrets to what men want in relationships. Plus, you'll get my free 10 mistakes report that's going to show you the 10 most deadly mistakes most women make with men and what to do about it. So go and sign up now, and I'll see you on the other side.